Hello, good morning, everybody. So today we'll go further in the uh, story of Monkey's Paw. So right now, whatever we have done is that we come to know that Monkey's Paw is the story of horror. Monkey's Paw has the element of horror in it. It has an element of suspense in it. It's a very interesting story. Okay, if you see, the story is very interesting. The story creates this whole atmosphere of suspense that you really want to know what happens next, right? So we know that there is this white family, a very happy white family. Mr. White is the father, Mrs. White is the mother, and Herbert is their son. They live a very nice life. They live a very comfortable life. Okay, they are not too rich also, they are not poor also. They have how much ever they require. Okay, they have utna paisa jitna they need. That is the amount of money that they have, and they are very happy, sort of a happy family. That is the image that the story portrays to us. In the starting of the story, we know that the father and the son are playing the game of chess. Okay, and obviously the father is making very unusual moves, and the son notices it, and the son wins the game of chess. Okay, and the son jokes about the fact that the father has lost the game and the father is not able to win the game and stuff. uh, at that point of time, there is a discussion done that they are expecting a guest at the house. The guest is Sergeant Major Morris. The person has served in the army. The person has served in India. Remember, at that time Britishers were ruling over India. Okay, that is why this British soldier was in this British major was in India. The Surgeon Major Morris comes for dinner and full tully thai jai છે boss. Okay, full alcohol tully. Okay, he's drinking whiskey one after other, one after other, and he's sharing his experiences of army. He's sharing his experiences he had in India. He says that India is a land where there are a lot of fakirs. Okay, there are a lot of street entertainers. Street entertainers એટલે જે લોકો રસ્તા ઉપર entertainment કરે and all that. They inquire, the White family, Mr. White asks him about a paw. So basically there was this paw which was a monkey's paw. Paw etle panjo. Okay, there was a monkey's paw. Okay, and this monkey's paw had a magic in it. It had a spell in it which an old fakir had put. Okay, एक पुराना फकीर है. The Purana fakir had put a spell on this paw. The fakir had wanted to prove that nobody is above destiny. Okay, and you can't change your destiny, you can't change your fate. એટલે તમારા નસીબમાં જે લખેલું છે એ જ થવાનું છે. એને તમે બદલી ન શકો. If you try to change it, if you try to bring about a change in it, then something bad will happen to you, or something really something not nice will happen to you. So the fakir wanted to prove that, and that is why he made a paw. In this paw there was basically 3 people could be granted 3 wishes. Okay, and this was the deal which was there in the paw. So obviously they ask Sergeant Major Morris that whether his 3 wishes are fulfilled or not. So he says, yes, my 3 wishes are fulfilled. Then they ask કે ભાઈ તારી પેલા જે પર્સન હતો એની 3 wishes પૂરી થઈ. So Sergeant Major Morris says ki I don't know whether his 3 wishes were fulfilled or not, but his last wish was death, which was fulfilled. Okay, any Sergeant Major Morris ની પહેલા જે આદમી પાસે પો હતો એની પહેલી 2 wish શું હતી એ તો નથી ખબર, પણ ત્રીજી wish death હતી જે for sure fulfill થઈ ગઈ છે for sure, and that is how Sergeant Major has a paw. So Mr. White says ki now this paw is very useless to you, right? This paw is of no importance to you because already your to 3 wishes are fulfilled. Now, is paw ka, what are you going to do? So Sergeant Major Morris says that look, this paw is not a good thing. It's not a nice thing to have. And whatever you're wishing for, you should wish very carefully. So Mr. White is saying, I want to have the paw. Obviously, the White family does not believe in this magic of paw. They think that Sergeant Major Morris એવે ही હવામાં વાતો કરે છે. Okay, so they take the paw from Sergeant Major Morris. Okay, and the father wishes for 200 pounds. The thing moves on the hand. Okay, the paw is thrown, like paw જે છે Mr. White ના હાથમાંથી પડી જાય છે. Okay, and the son and the mother, they both joke about it, saying ki 200 pounds you're not going to get, 200 pounds you're not going to get. Next morning happens, still 200 pounds ka no news is there at all whether they are going to get it or not. They have no clue about it whatsoever. After that, what happens is the son goes out. Okay, he has a job, so gone to get he's gone for his work. The mother is doing her daily work. She's not even bothered whether she will, whether they are going to get money for the poor, whether their wish is going to get fulfilled. She thinks it's all fake. Okay, and she goes and she's doing her everyday work, she's doing her everyday ka kaam. At that point of time, she notices somebody outside who is dressed up very nicely, who is planning to, knock at their door. So she finally meets the person, and this person is very very हिचकिचाते हुए says कि your son has come in the machinery. એટલે ભાઈ જે ફેક્ટરીમાં તમારો સન કામ કરતો હતો એમાં જે મશીન્સ હતા એ મશીન્સની અંદર તમારો દીકરો આવી ગયો છે, and your son is now dead. Though the company, okay, the factory does not take any responsibility, but the company feels very bad for your loss, and that is why they want to give you some amount of money. The couple is shocked. The couple asks what is the money, how much is the amount of money that they are going to get. The person says you're going to get 200 pounds. So look at this thing. The couple, which was very happy with their son, everything, now they have the money but they don't have the son, so they had to pay the price, right? They paid the price for asking for money. Okay, એ લોકોએ બહુ મોટી રકમ ચૂકવી. 200 pounds તો મળ્યા, પણ રિટર્નમાં શું વયું ગયું? એનો son, એનો પોતાનો son વયો ગયો. So it's such a sad thing, isn't it? Like, nobody wants to lose their son, right? Nobody wants to lose their only child. They imagine it was, the couple was old. They had been together for so many years. They were married, they were in love, they had a child. The child was about, let's say, 18-20 years old. The child is lost. Imagine the thing of the parent. Okay, a parent never wants to see their child dead. That is the fact, I'm telling you. No parent want to see their child dead. Okay, and when they hear the news, they are broken down, they are completely heartbroken. They have completely lost everything they had. What is their life of importance now when their only son is gone? Okay, so this is the sad tragedy. This is the sad thing that has happened now. Let's move ahead in the story. Let's see what happens now. In the huge new cemetery, some 2 miles away, the old people buried their dead and came back to the house, which was now full of shadows and silence. It was all over so quickly that at first they could hardly realize it, and remained in the state of waiting for something else to happen. Something else which was lighten this road, too heavy for the old hearts to bear. So there was a new cemetery. Cemetery એટલે કબ્રસ્તાન. So there was a new cemetery which was there next to their house. They go to the cemetery, they bury their son. Their only son they have buried. Okay, they come back after burying their son. Okay, obviously Christian લોકોમાં દાટે. So નવી કબ્રિસ્તાન થયો છે, તો નવા કબ્રિસ્તાનમાં જઈને they bury their son, their only son. Okay, imagine the pain. Imagine like, we don't have children, so we don't know how it happens, no? But imagine those two couple, what they would have gone through. Okay, so they come back, they are very very quiet. The house, which was earlier filled with laughter, with joy, with enjoyment, when Herbert was around, that atmosphere is not there anymore. Suddenly it's all shadowed, it's very very silent, nobody is talking, the husband wife don't talk to each other anymore. There is this weird amount of silence that is filled in the house, and the scene is really really heartbreaking. The scene is really really sad. Okay, it's like, it's not a good thing. It's a very very sad thing to see. Okay, and they are waiting for something else to happen. Okay, they are like, acha kaik thase, maybe something will happen, but they are not able to. Nothing is going to happen, and they feel as if this loss is too heavy for their heart. Okay, like imagine they are old, losing their child. That's something which the old hearts can't bear, no? They are old, their hearts can't bear that, कि their only child is gone. Even अगर તમારે 2-3 भी બાળક હોય અને એ 2-3 भी બાળક અગર ગુજરી જાય તો भी parents ને લાગે. Forget that, even if you have pet at home. Okay, I don't know how many of you all have dogs or something at home, but when you lose a pet, you feel so bad. And imagine this is your own child that you are losing. Okay, so the pain is greater, the pain is much 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 more. Okay, because the person is dead. But the days passed and they realized that they had to accept the situation. The hopeless acceptance of the old, something that they hardly said a word to each other. From now, they had nothing to talk about, and their days were long to tiredness. So, days and days and days passed, and they accepted the fact that their son is no more. They accepted the fact that their son is dead. And now they felt as if their life was of no purpose. Their son is so dead. So they felt that their life was of no purpose, that their life was of no use, that nothing else was there in their life now, and they were just tired of everything that they are, and they were just living. Putlini Jem, they were just living. They were just living like gudiya, okay, like dolls, na? Like that. They were just living. Okay, they were very tired, they were very old, and it felt as if suddenly everything in their life is gone. Okay, and they had accepted the fact that their son is no more with them. It was a week about. Old man walking suddenly in the night stretched out his hand and found himself alone. The room was in darkness and he could hear the sound of his wife crying. Quietly at the window, he raised himself in the bed and listened. So there was this night, okay, in the night, the Mr. Herbert gets up, he stretches his hand like this, okay, and suddenly he realizes that his wife is standing next to the window and she's crying and crying and crying, okay. Come back, he said tentatively, you will be cold. So the husband tells the wife, please come back, go to sleep. It's cold, you will catch cold. It is colder for my son, said the same old woman who began to cry. So she says, even my son will be in cold, na? આપણે એને તો કબરમાં દાટીને આવ્યા. So even my son would be cold right now, no? She's feeling that. Okay, obviously the person is dead, the person is not going to feel it. But still you feel it, na? અરે મેં એને यहाँ દફનાવ્યા છે, આટલી ઠંડી છે ને ઠંડી નહીં લાગતી હોય. So she's thinking like that. So she says, even my son will be cold. The sound of the crying died on his ears. The bed was warm and his eyes heavy with sleep. He slept lightly at first and then fully asleep. With a sudden wild cry from his wife woke him up with the start. So he was hearing the crying, okay, and he was not ready. He was in the deep sleep, so he goes back to sleep. And the wife is still crying. Suddenly the husband is fully soi gaya, okay, he has slept off completely. There is a sudden wild cry from the wife. Okay, the wife makes a big loud noise. Okay, and the husband wakes up. The paw, she cried wildly. The monkey's paw. He startled up, alarm. Where is it? What's the matter? So the wife says, paw. The monkey's paw. Wake up, the paw. So the husband is like, where is the paw? What are you talking about? Where is the paw? Okay. She almost fell and she came hurried across towards him. I want it, she said quietly. You have not destroyed it. So she almost fell એટલે પડવાની જતી, and she's finding the paw, okay? And she says, I hope you have not destroyed the paw. Tell me where the paw is, okay? મને કે paw ક્યાં છે? I hope તે paw ને destroy નથી કર્યો. It's in the living room on the shelf above the fireplace, he replied. Why? So he says કે ઓલો લિવિંગ રૂમ છે અને જ્યાં આપણી ફાયરની ચીમની છે એના ઉપર મેં મૂક્યો છે paw. But tell me what's the matter? Why are you suddenly finding the paw? Why is there a sudden need to get the paw? She cried and laughed together and bending over and kissed his cheek. So, she was crying and at the same time she, came closer to the husband and kissed on the cheek. I only just thought of it, she says. Why didn't I think of it before? Why didn't you think of it? So she says, why didn't I think of the paw before? Why didn't you think of the paw before? We have the paw. Okay, so suddenly what happens now, we will come to know. Okay, why is she so excited about the paw? You will come to know in the starting. Now, okay, sorry. Think of what, he questioned. The other two wishes, she replied quickly. We only had one. So the wife says, look, we only had one wish completed. We still have two wishes left. So you can ask for two wishes. Okay? That's what she's suggesting. એકમાં ધરાય નહીં ભાઈ કે બીજી બે માંગવા આલી. Okay? But she wants the two wishes to be completed. She's a mad woman. Anyways, it's a mother's love. so you can't help it. Was it not enough? He demanded angrily. See, even the husband is saying, one wish was not enough, that you want your other two wishes also to be completed. Bhai, શું છે આ એમ? No, she cried angrily. We'll have one more. Go down and get it quickly and wish our boy alive again. So the wife says, go down, get the paw, take the paw and ask for a wish. Your next wish will be to ask for our son back. Okay? Alive. I want my son back alive. That is the wish you're going to ask from the paw. So the wife is saying this, okay? The man sat up in the bed and threw the blankets from his shaking leg. Good God, you are mad, he cried, struck with horror. So the husband removes the blanket off and tells the wife, you are mad. I am not doing anything of that type. You're totally mad. Her husband, get it, she said breathingly. Get it quickly and wish, oh my boy, my boy. So the wife says, you shut up. Go down right now. Take the paw and ask for my son back. I want my son back right now. Right here in front of me, I want my son back. Her husband struck a match and lit a candle. Get back to bed, he said, his voice shaking. You don't know anything what you are saying. So the husband lit the candle, okay, candle sargavi, looks at the wife and tells the wife, go to bed quietly. I'm not asking for any of those wishes of any of those kind. Go to bed very quietly, okay. We had the first wish granted, said the old woman. Why not second? A coincidence, said the old man. Go get it and wish, cried his wife, shaking with excitement. So basically the wife tells the husband, look, our first wish got granted, so it's obvious that our second wish will also be granted. So why not take the risk? What will we lose? We don't have anything to lose, right? So you're going to go down, get the paw and ask. Okay? So the husband says, look, getting 200 pounds, the death of our son could be a coincidence. Coincidence એટલે કે કદાચ એવું wish ના લીધે ન થયું હોય કે કદાચ અમથું જ થઈ ગયું હોય, કાંઈ એના connection લેવા દેવા ન હોય. So the wife says, I don't care whether there's a connection or no connection. I want to ask for second wish. Okay, I am going to force you to go down, get the paw and ask for second wish. The old man turned and looked at her and his voice shook. He had been dead 10 days and besides I would not tell you before, but I could only recognize him by the clothing. If he was too terrible for you to see it then, how now? So the old man says, look, our son has died. It has been 10 days since he has died. 10 દિવસ વયા ગયા છે. ઇમેજિન એનું મોઢું કેવું થઈ ગયું હશે. તમે બોડીને દાટેલી હોય તો પછી ઓબ્વિયસલી એ ડિગ્રેડ થવા માંડે ને બોડી ધીરે ધીરે કીડા મકોડા ખાવા માંડે બોડીને ને એને ડિગ્રેડ કરે, રાઈટ? That's the process. So the husband says, look, our son has died 10 days back. Okay, and when they came to show us the body, you turned away because you couldn't look at his body. કેમ કે એનું બોડી મશીનમાં આવી ગયું હતું કે તો પેચાઈ ગયું હોય ને મશીનની અંદર આવીને. So imagine like you couldn't see his body at that time. You could only see we could only recognize him from the clothes. Sorry. We could only recognize him from the clothes. So how are we going to recognize him right now? It's technically not possible. The husband is trying to explain the wife. Okay, that bhai tu muki de alap no kar. 10 દિવસ પહેલા જ્યારે ગુજરી ગયો હતો ત્યારે તું એને જોઈ નહોતી સકી કેમ કે એની હાલત એવી હતી. તો હવે એનું શરીર કેવું થઈ ગયું હશે? તો હવે how are you going to bloody see it? Okay, just think about it. You won't be able to see it at all. Bring him back, cried the old woman and pulled him towards the door. Do you think I fear the child I have nursed? So the wife tells the husband, bring back the paw, ask for the wish. Look, I have nursed the child. Nursed the child meaning I have taken the care of that child. I am the mother. મેં એને કેર કરી છે, મેં એને મોટો કર્યો છે. So how I am going to be scared of my child? I am not going to be scared of my child. However my child is, in whatever condition my child is, I will accept my child as the child is right now, or whatever state the child is in. I am going to accept my child. I am not scared. Go bring the paw. He went down in the darkness and felt his way to the living room and then to the fireplace. The talisman was in the place of the shed, and then horrible fear came over that the unspoken wish might bring the broken body of his son before him before he could escape from the room. He caught his breath as he found that he had lost the direction of the room. He forced cold with the sweat he felt way around the table and along the walls until he found himself at the bottom of the stairs with the evil thing in the hand. So he goes down. Okay, obviously there is no light. Okay, and he's trying to find the paw, and while he's trying to find the paw, he is thinking about the fact that this is the same paw that has taken the life of my son. What more bad could this thing ever do? Like, Herbert was our only hope. He was the source of joy in our house, and the paw has taken away all the happiness from us. Now what worse this paw is going to do to us? And now my wife suddenly wants me to wish for the son back. And nevertheless, he doesn't even realize all these things are playing in his head, all these things are going in his mind, and he's trying to look at the top shelf of the fireplace. Okay, because light to chhe nahi, to ene dekha to nathi. So he's moving his hands, trying to find the paw. He takes the paw and goes upstairs to the room, okay, to the wife's room, wherever the wife is. Even his wife's face seemed to change as he entered the room. It was white and expectant to his fears, seemed to have unnatural look upon it. He was afraid of her. So suddenly the husband is afraid of the wife. क्या mental तो नहीं थी जाए ना यार, okay, whatever. But the husband is also scared of the wife, and he has to do what the wife is telling him to do. Okay. Wish, she cried with a strong voice. So the wife says, wish. You got the paw, now bloody wish for it. Wish for our son to come back, and I demand you to wish. It was foolish and wicked, he said weakly. So he says it's foolish. Okay, it's pagalpan, it's madness, it's stupid to wish. So she says keep quiet and just wish. He raised his hand, I wish my son alive again. So the husband takes the paw up, says I wish for my son back again, alive. That's what he wishes for. The talisman fell on the floor and he looked it fearfully. Then he sank into the chair, and the old woman with the burning eyes walked into the window and opened the curtains. So the talisman meaning the jadui paw, it fell on the floor, it moved, and the husband obviously sat on the chair. He didn't know what is going to happen next. He doesn't know what is going to happen next. Next thing the wife does is goes to the window, opens the curtain, and she's waiting for the son to come back. The candle, which was almost burned to the bottom, was throwing moving shadows around the room. When the candle finally went out, the old man, with an unspeakable sense of relief at the failure of the talisman, went slowly back to bed, and a minute afterwards the old woman came silently to lay without movements beside him. So now what happens is that slowly the candle which was burning in the room slowly becomes lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter, and the candle is also throwing shadows on the wall. Obviously જ્યારે candle બળતી હોય ત્યારે walls ઉપર shadow ન આવે, આમાં નાનપણમાં તમે આમાં shadows કરતા. So the shadows are appearing on the wall. Slowly the candle goes off. There is no news whether the sun is coming back or not coming back or what, this, that, whatever. Slowly the wife is waiting. The husband is relieved कि thank God कदाच आ जादू काम નથી કર્યું. He goes back to bed, and after some time even the wife comes to bed to sleep with him, and probably given up the hope that the son is going to come back. Let's see what happens next. Neither of them spoke, but silently laying to the ticking of the clock, they heard nothing else other than the normal night sounds. The darkness was depressing, and after lying for some time, building up the courage, the husband took the box of matches, lighting one, went downstairs for another candle. So both of them did not speak anything. Okay, both of them were quiet. Okay, suddenly there was a silence all around. The husband, takes the matchbox, goes down to get another candle. Okay, because it is dark. At the floor of the stairs, the match went out, and so he stopped and lighted another. At the same moment, a knock sounded in the front door. It was so quiet that he could only be heard downstairs, as if only knocking wanted to keep their coming a secret. So obviously the husband is Mr. White is going down. Okay, the husband is going downstairs to find another candle, and while he is down, he hears a soft knock on the door. ધીરેકથી કોક આમ ઠક ઠક એમ કરતું હોય. The knocking was very very silent. Okay, very very quiet knocking was there. કે ભાઈ અગર નીચે તમે બેઠેલા હો ને લિવિંગ રૂમમાં તો જ તમને સંભળાત, ઉપર વાઇફ સુધી ન સંભળાત. There was a small knocking on the door. Okay. What's that? Cried the old woman, sitting up quickly. A rat, said the old man shakingly. A rat had passed up the stairs. So suddenly the wife hears the knocking on the door. Thak thak awaaz સાંભળી જાય. The wife says, who is there? Who is there? Tell me who is there. So the husband says, nothing, nothing. Rat. Okay, ઉંદર છે યા ઉંદર આમ ગયું એટલે તને સંભળાણું. Nothing is there. Okay, that's what the husband says. His wife sat up in the bed looking. A loud knock echoed through the house. It's Herbert, she cried. It's Herbert. So first the knock was very very soft. Then there was a loud knock. Okay, જોશથી અવાજ આવ્યો. ઠક ઠક. So the mother says, it's not a rat. It's my son, Herbert. It's Herbert. Herbert has come back. Okay. She ran to the door, but her husband was there before her, catching her by the arm, held her tightly. Where are you going? What are you going to do? He asked with a low, scared voice. So she ran towards the door. Okay, from the room she comes down. She's running towards the door to open it. The husband catches the arm of the wife. Okay, arm એટલે બાવડું પકડી લે છે. Catches the arm of the wife and says, what are you doing? Okay, what are you going to do? Basically, she's running towards the door. But before she could run towards the door or before she could open the door, the husband catches the hand and says, what are you doing? Okay, જ્યારે જોશથી અવાજ આવે છે આમ ઠક ઠક ઠક, ત્યારે ભાઈ મિસિસ વાઇટ આમ દોડતી દોડતી જાય છે. મારો દીકરો આવ્યો, મેરે કરણ અર્જુન આયા ટાઈપ વાળી ફિલિંગ. શી ઇઝ રનિંગ ટુવર્ડ્સ ધ ડોર. શી વોન્ટ્સ ટુ ઓપન ધ ડોર. અને એનો હસબન્ડ જે છે મિસ્ટર વાઇટ, એનું બાવડું પકડી લે છે અને એને કહે છે, ક્યાં જવું છે તારે? ખોલમાં, ભૂતળો છે એ ભૂતળો. ઓકે, વી ડોન્ટ નો વેધર ધ સન ઇઝ ધેર ઓર નોટ. લેટ્સ સી. It's my boy, it's Herbert, she cried, struggling automatically. I forgot it was 2 miles away. What are you holding me for? Let me go, I must open. So he says, it's my boy Herbert, I know it's my son. What are you doing? Leave me, I want to open the door. The husband is not leaving. Okay, Oli Bo, she's trying really really hard to get out of the husband's hand, but the husband has hold her tightly. બાવડું એટલું જોશથી પકડ્યું છે કે એ બાવડામાંથી આમ પોતાનો હાથ કાઢી નથી શકતી. And she says કે મારો દીકરો આવ્યો છે, ખોલવા દે દરવાજો એમ. For God's sake, cried the old man, shaking with fear. You're afraid of your own son? She cried, struggling. Let me go, I'm coming. Herbert, I'm coming. Okay, so basically the wife says, are you afraid of your own son? Okay, what's wrong with you? He's our son. So the husband is saying, for God's sake, don't open the door. Don't open the door. Okay, and she says, leave me, let me go, let me see my child. How can you be afraid of your own son? There was another knock and another. The old woman with a sudden pull broke free and ran from the room. Her husband followed on the top stairs and called after her. She hurried down. He heard the chain pulled back and bottom lock open. Then the woman's voice desperate and breathing hardly. The top lock, she cried loudly. Come down, I can't reach it. So obviously the door is locked in 2 ways. Okay, નીચેથી કોકના ઘરની અંદર ચેન હોય અને ઉપરે આમ લોક હોય. તમે જોયું હશે, નીચેથી આમ ચેન બાંધેલી હોય અને ઉપર લોક હોય. 2 way they do the lock. So the wife run towards the door to open it, right? She opens the chain, but she's not able to reach the lock on top because it's too high. So she calls for her husband and says, come down right now and open the top lock. જે ઉપરનો લોક છે એ ખોલ. Okay, I'm telling you, come down right now and open the lock which is on top. But her husband was on his hands and knees, feeling around wildly on the floor in the search of the paw. If only he could find it before the thing outside got in. The knock came very quickly, now echoing through the whole house. And he heard the noise of the wife moving the chair and putting it down against the door. He heard the movement of the lock as she began to open it. And at the same moment, he found Monkey's paw and frantically breathed the third and the last wish. So what happens now? Suddenly, the person who was there outside was knocking very, very loudly. Very, very loudly. So he could hear that the wife is pulling the chair because the husband is not coming down. So Mrs. White is pulling the chair to climb. She has climbed the chair. And Mr. White can hear the chair being pulled Mrs. White climbing on the chair and trying to put the lock down. And at that time, Mr. White is searching for the paw. He finds the paw and asks for his last wish. Okay. The knocking stopped suddenly. Although the echoes were still in the house, he heard the chair pulled back and the door opened. A cold wind blew up the staircase, and a loud cry of disappointment and pain from his wife gave him a courage to run down to her side and then to the gate. The street light opposite shone quiet and deserted road. So suddenly, the third wish is asked. The third wish which Mr. Herbert asks is, sorry, third wish which Mr. White asks is for the son to go back to the grave. He says, I don't want my son here. So suddenly when the door opens, there is just wind that comes. There's no one over there. There is just wind that comes, and with the wind there comes a loud cry of disappointment from the wife. She cries. She's disappointed. Disappointed એટલે એનું દિલ તૂટી ગયું છે because the son is not there. So hearing this loud cry of the wife, the husband comes down. Okay, he holds the wife and goes to check around, and obviously there is one street light burning. The night is again quiet. The night is again silent. Okay, so this was your story of monkey's paw. I'll just like repeat one thing in the last bit in Gujarati so that you all understand it. So વાઇફ જે છે એ દોડતી દોડતી નીચે જાય છે દરવાજો ખોલવા માટે. પહેલું લોક તો ખોલી નાખે છે નીચેનું, પણ ઉપરનું લોક ખોલવા માટે એનો હાથ નથી પહોંચતો. એ એના હસબન્ડને કહે છે કે તું આવ. એનો હસબન્ડ કહે છે કે તું ખોલમાં. અને એને અવાજ સંભળાય છે મિસ્ટર વ્હાઇટને કે એની વાઇફ જે છે એ ખુરશી ખેંચીને ચડી ગઈ છે ઉપર. લોકનો અવાજ આવે છે કે લોક એ નીચે ધીરે કરે છે. ત્યાં મિસ્ટર વ્હાઇટ જે છે એ પો ગોતવા માંડે છે. એને પો મળી જાય છે અને એની લાસ્ટ અને થર્ડ વિશ માંગે છે. જ્યારે એની લાસ્ટ વિશ માંગે છે, ઓબ્વિયસલી વી નો કે એની લાસ્ટ વિશ એ છે કે એનો દીકરો પાછો કબરમાં વયો જાય. ઓકે, અને જ્યારે મિસિસ વ્હાઇટ જ્યારે દરવાજો ખોલે છે ત્યારે ઠંડી હવા આવે છે, બહાર કોઈ હોતું નથી. ઓકે, અને પછી મિસ્ટર વ્હાઇટ જે છે એ બહાર ચેક કરવા જાય છે. નાઇટ અગેન ક્વાયટ છે, સાયલન્ટ છે, અને દેટ ઇઝ ધ એન્ડ ઓફ આર સ્ટોરી. Okay, from tomorrow we'll be discussing the question answers.